Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back! Today's video is how to make edible Nutella slime. I'm so excited because I love sweets and candy. Don't forget, like and subscribe. So guys, let's try to make yummy slime. At first I need marshmallow. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to put marshmallows in microwave and melt them. And now I mix my marshmallow. Wow, look, very cute. And now I add Nutella. Wow, it's like a real slime. And it's edible. It's very cool. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow. Very delicious. Okay guys, please write me in the comment, would you like to try to eat this candy slime? I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye!